Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Compaq display, and now I'm going to show you how to disable status screen that appears on your screen here on this device. So firstly, click main menu button, then scroll down using minus button and choose management. Click OK. Now scroll down using minus button. Here you will find monitor status. Click OK. And here you can set it on top, on middle, on bottom, or disable it. So I suggest you disable it. So choose OK. And click Save and Return. Click Exit. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.